Banggood affiliate program. Privileges for new affiliates arrived. Thank you for being one of our valued affiliates. Before you start, please check the privileges we offer to you. First, normally you start as a standard affiliate. This means that you will receive at least 4% commission with every referral order you've sold. But now, here in your first 30 days, you can enjoy a VIP level of commission rate. Receive at least 8% commission with every referral order you've sold. Here we offer multiple and competitive commission. Second, for your first referral order, reward an extra 500 affiliate points. And once your first order was shipped, you get the 500 affiliate points bonus. So here in Banggood affiliate program, we offer you an easy way to earn money. Find the deals in Ad Center and share them with your audiences or followers. Just share to get potential commission. The more you share, the more chances you earn the commission. We offer up to 30% commission from every orders from your sharing links. Once you receive the commission, you are free to restore it to your PayPal bank account or BGPay wallet at any time you want. And we have monthly incentive plans for you. Check our announcement and you'll find out. Now enjoy the privileges and start to promote.